In this tutorial we will work on a trick sequence that looks really cool and is slightly more challenging. It's called the elevator combo. I'll show you step by step how to learn this cool combo in the best possible way. Stay with me until the end and I'll show you a simple but effective upgrade into the combo to make it look even cooler. My name is Bastian and on my channel I'll show you step-by-step tutorials on Diabolo and juggling. Subscribe if you're interested in my content. The central element of this trick combo is the elevator. I've made an extra tutorial for this trick, which I've linked to in the top right corner of this video. If you've already mastered the elevator or feel confident enough to learn it directly from this video, then stay tuned and we will dive right into the trick combo. This tutorial is performed by me as a right-handed person. If you are left-handed, always swap right and left. First, you should build up enough spin, ideally using an acceleration method, so that your Diabolo can keep going for the entire combo. If you don't know any yet, I've linked an effective one at the top right of the video. With a ball-bearing Diabolo, the elevator trick doesn't work because the axle spins freely, so the string can't grip and pull the Diabolo upward. Now let's move on to the first step, do the elevator. When the Diabolo has almost reached the end of the string, move the left stick downward so that the Diabolo automatically swings downward. It is best to keep your arm slightly stretched outward so that the Diabolo swings outward. Step 2. Swing the Diabolo into the string. As soon as the Diabolo has reached the bottom, press the stick against the string on the inside so that the Diabolo swings to the left into the string. Slowly move the right stick until both sticks are together and the Diabolo is below them. Step 3. Reverse the movement. Now perform the exact same sequence of movements in reverse. Move the left stick downward to the right with some force so that the Diabolo swings into another arc, this time a circle to the right. Step 4. Air cycle and string tension. Once the Diabolo has reached the top, give it some momentum so that it makes a complete circle in the air. Shortly before the circle is complete, pull both sticks apart so that the string is taut. The tension of the string will keep the Diabolo in place. Step 5. Return to the starting position. With a small push to the left, you now move the Diabolo backwards again and the sequence of movements from the beginning after the elevator is repeated. Press the stick against the string as soon as the Diabolo has reached the bottom so that the Diabolo swings to the left into the string. Step 6. Prepare and release. Once the Diabolo has settled, hold both sticks parallel to each other with the tips pointing to the left of the Diabolo's axle. Throw the Diabolo up and keep the sticks close together until the Diabolo has come off the string. If you pull the sticks apart too early, the Diabolo could get tangled or at least not fly straight up. Finally, catch the Diabolo and the combo is complete. As promised, we now come to the announced upgrade. To make the trick even more fun, let the Diabolo slide back down after it has moved up the elevator and then move it back up again until you finally continue the trick sequence. Depending on how much spin your Diabolo has, you can repeat the up and down movement of the Diabolo several times. You can do this by keeping the string loose when it reaches the top. The Diabolo will slide down automatically. However, to prevent it from crashing into the lower stick, you must pull the string taut again in time so that it moves back up. Try the elevator combo and the upgrade shown and let me know in the comments if you manage to get the Diabolo to really come off the string at the end of the video. Have fun practicing. See you in the next video. Bastian.